What's the meaning of Bactine? Bactine. Bactine.
Bactine. Bactine. Bactine is a brand of antiseptic spray that is typically used to clean and disinfect minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. The active ingredient in Bactine is benzalkonium chloride, which is effective in killing bacteria and preventing infection. Additionally, Bactine has a numbing effect on the affected area, which helps to reduce pain and discomfort. This makes it a useful first aid treatment for small injuries, especially when access to more comprehensive medical care is limited. However, it should be noted that Bactine is not suitable for treating more serious wounds or infections, and medical attention should always be sought if there are any concerns about a particular injury.